How to change your height in Roblox. Hi everybody, in today's video we will be guiding you in order to do so let's just get started. First of all, head over and open up the Roblox application onto your device, and once you open it up, log in into your account. And then once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. You can locate up the avatar option from your screen, tap on it, and once you tap on it, it gives you your character here. So in order to change your height, it is very easy. Once you are here, you will be getting two tabs, Marketplace and Customization. In Marketplace, you can go ahead and purchase the products you like, but in Customization, you can customize yourself. So locate up the Customization tab at the top, select it up, and switch over to the Customization. And then once you are here, you will be getting characters and different options. You need to look out for head and body option right here. This head and body, and within head and body also you will be getting different options. So from here you see options like heads, hair, skin, classic heads, etc. You need to swipe right until you reach over to the very last section called build. Locate it up and tap on it, and once you tap on build, this option right here, it gives you option. Now all you gotta do in order to make you short or tall, you will be finding this circle option. You can make it up and right like this. If you make it up, your height increases. But if you would like to make yourself short, you can just decrease it like this and keep it in this place, and that should decrease your height. Once you have saved the changes, you can just go ahead and include your body size as well if you prefer head size and are different. But for your height, you just need to go ahead and use this option right here that will increase or decrease your height. Once this is done, you can see able to change it, and that's it. So you may follow up this process if you would like to change your height in Roblox as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.